The actor Paul Walker, the star of the Fast and Furious film series, has died in a car crash. His publicist says he was attending a charity event when the car he was in, he was a passenger. It crashed north of Los Angeles on Saturday. The second person in the car also died. Paul Walker was working on the latest Fast and Furious film. Number 6 in the series was released in May this year. He also starred in the suspense drama Hours. That is set for release this month. He was 40 years old, and Universal Pictures, the studio distributing the Fast and the Furious series of films, has issued a statement. It says, "All of us at Universal are heartbroken. Paul was truly one of the most beloved and respected members of our studio family for 14 years. And this loss is devastating to us, to everyone involved with the Fast and Furious films, and to countless fans. We send our deepest and most sincere condolences to Paul's family." 40-year-old Paul Walker, the Hollywood star most famous for his roles in the Fast and Furious films, has died in Los Angeles after a car in which he was a passenger crashed on Saturday.